The courtroom was crowded and rowdy. Only 14 of 43 listed defendants were seated in the cage of the accused. The Americans charged either having left the country or remaining in the shelter of the US Embassy. The arrival of the judge restored a semblance of order, but still he was forced to suspend proceedings twice. In the short sessions, though, charges were read that the NGO employees had received foreign funds to illegally work in Egypt for organizations that were not formally licensed. A not guilty plea registered by all. And after an appeal by the defense for more time to review the charges, the judge ordered the case be adjourned.
In coming weeks, there's likely to be an intensification of US efforts to resolve this matter diplomatically. A stumbling block to this, that many believe this trial is as much about perceived US interference in Egyptian affairs as it is about the activities of NGOs.
According to legal documents obtained by Al Jazeera, the prosecution also intends to argue that the NGOs had played a role in inciting civil unrest before, during and after the January Revolution, and that they had done so under the direction of foreign governments and entities like the CIA. It's an argument dismissed by one defendant who was willing to speak outside the court.
Every time there is an attempt to support the forces of change inside the country, there would be a new wave of nationalistic rhetoric about the abrogation of the country's sovereignties and the interference of foreign influences on that, because that's the only defense they have.
The defendants were allowed to leave, and some in the courtroom seized the moment to protest against ongoing military rule. The chanted slogans adding to a sense that this is as much political theatre as it is a trial. Mike Hanna, Al Jazeera, Cairo.